everyone, I got some breaking news for you. Things in China are appearing to be going in a whole nother level. So they have a company, it's called Foyer. They're making the GR-1 robot. They're supposed to project mass production at late 2024. Now, they're not saying exactly how many they're going to put out. The reasons why is because they're having an elderly population crisis. More young people are either moving, or the fact is the baby boomer population that they have, longevity of the younger class, because the younger generations didn't have enough children. And there's a variety of reasons for that. Just like the United States, just like UK, just like Europe, there's a variety of problems. But a little history on the company. The company Foyer was named after Joseph Fourier. He was a physicist and a mathematician in the 19th century in France. Now, they specialize in rehabilitation robots, so the healthcare industry is really big for these. And the company says that this robot can run 5 kilometers and it can lift 110 pounds. Now, an average Chinese person is not really big as the American population is, so this could work well. There's another aspect to this, and what that is a Shanghai company out of China is getting into human brain drones. Now, what are human brain drones? These are drones that can actually communicate and make rational decisions on the fly. So, the reason why they're getting involved on this, they already say that this is going to be great for military applications. This is going to be great for fire departments. This is going to be great for police. This is going to be great for restaurant industry, own delivery service. So this company out of China is getting heavily involved. Now, I didn't get the name of this company, but I'll get you more information on this. That's all for now. If you guys like this content, be sure to give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification if you would, please. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.